Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. It's December 1st. It's time for the reveal on our Christmas theme build hosted by Kim over at Kim's Custom Garage in Denmark. One of his favorite seasons and one of mine. What did Hobby Dude build? Let's take a look. As you may recall, I wanted my subject to be something that reminded me a little of my childhood. In my stash, I had this AMT 63 Chevy 2 station wagon, and I thought, you know what, we had a station wagon we went and got the tree in and did all of our Christmas shopping in growing up, and I thought I would like to revisit those times. So this was my subject. And guys, this is a really fun kit, and I know some of you are probably asking, did he put the engine in it? Did he put the engine in it? Well, we'll answer that question in a minute. I did glue the hood shut, but that's not the whole story. Guys, let me reset the camera and we'll take a look. Well, here it is, guys. Kim, I hope you like it. This is our 63 Chevy 2. Is this not just cool? This was all rattle cans, guys, and I am very impressed with the Tamiya paint, how it laid down straight out of the can. I decided to tone it down a little bit, so all the chrome trim is actually a silver Sharpie. But that paint color, the blue, I think it was a light blue pearl, and I really like it. Looks really good. I got this for another project and ended up using it on this, but I'm telling you, this is really good. And if you notice the wreaths I shared with you in the first video, we got those at Hobby Lobby, and those were just peel and stick. They didn't want to stick up top, so we helped it a little bit. So we've got a wreath on the grill and one on the tailgate. Lowered the rear suspension just a touch to accommodate the weight of all those packages in the back, as well as the weight of the tree top side. And we've got another package in the back seat over there too. But I like the stance considering what all's in it. We did Tamiya white on the top, bright white, and again, all of the chrome trim, and it barely shows up on this, is just a silver Sharpie. I just decided to go a little easy on that. But you know, this is a fun kit, one that I wouldn't mind doing something else with. The tree is, I'm not really sure where Amanda found that. Used a little twine and tied it to the roof. Mashed it down a little bit. You know, a lot of the trees today, when you go and get them, they have that mesh around them, or they're wrapped up. I don't remember that when I was growing up. You just drove very slow going home and you just tied it to the roof. They might have had some rope or something around them, and for the stump there I just put a piece of burlap over it. But I think it turned out pretty good. Amanda's got something else to put on the mantle with the Christmas decorations now. And as I said, growing up we had a light blue station wagon. It was a Mercury, but still I think it was a little lighter than this maybe, but and that's just, I'm trying to think back to my childhood. But this really reminded me of it, and kind of cool. The packages, by the way, that are in the back are the same ones that Amanda got for the decorations for my workbench there. And I just put some very nice big gifts in the back there. And one in the back seat again. But I think this turned out really well. Kim, thank you very much for the idea on doing a Christmas build. It was a lot of fun. I didn't get in until late, and I know you guys were going, you know, glue the hood down. Well, I did. The hood is glued down. But most of you know me well enough to know I can't leave well enough alone. So yes, there's an engine in it. I put the 6-cylinder in it, the straight 6. But had to have the engine, even if you don't see it. I couldn't resist, guys. I had to do it. But again, this is just a really fun little project. And if you ever want to find something that's in the right scale, now this particular tree was a lot taller than that. I cut it down. But if you ever want to find stuff that's in scale, dollhouse furnishings, and Hobby Lobby has a section in dollhouse stuff, or you can go online and look up dollhouse stuff. It comes between 22nd and 24th scale. So a lot of the stuff, I've picked up magazines for the front seat of cars and trucks, pickups especially, and it's just perfect for it. I mean, really, really looks good. But I'm pleased with it, and as I said, this will go on the mantle during the holidays with our Batson Tree Farm truck pickup. And Amanda likes it already. She said, "Oh yeah, love it, love it." So this will be going on the mantle too. Well, guys, this is something. And by the way, if you want one of these, you want to pick up the paints, everything you need, head over to HobbyNut Models, visit Mark's website, check out the inventory. Guys, let me tell you, if it's tools, airbrushes, MCW finishes, paints, whatever it is, hey, be sure you check out that tool section. Whether it is a need for an airbrush or just any other tools, there's some absolutely fantastic stuff over there. But he has an awesome and a huge inventory. And until December 31st, he is doing a really big sale. There's a lot of stuff going on, so be sure you go over and check him out. Anything you do, and you hit the link in the description area of the video here, and of course, Hobby Dude gets some credit for that. And we appreciate all the support. Just watching, man. We appreciate it very much. Well, this is an early time to say it, but Merry Christmas, guys. And we'll be talking about that, I'm sure, later on in the month, too. Hey, hope the rat race for Christmas is not too hectic for you. Hey, we love you. We appreciate you very much, guys. God bless, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.